Good morning, sir. Myself, Palak Verma from class 12th A. Here, I am going to explain the activity which is based on experimental learning. The topic of my activity is combination of capacitor. What is the meaning of combination of capacitor? The capacitor combination are made in many ways. In combination, it is connected to a battery to apply a potential difference and charge the plate. We can define the equal capacitance of the combination between the plates to be C equals to Q by V. Combination of capacitors are in two ways. First one is capacitor in series. When number of capacitors are connected such that the charge on every capacitor is same, then they are said to be connected in series combination. In the figure, the three capacitor of capacitance C1, C2 and C3 connected in series. V1 is the potential difference across the circuit. At positive charge is given to the plate present on the left side of the capacitor. Due to the phenomena of electrostatic induction, the other plates of capacitor get charges. Potential difference across the capacitor can be V1 equal to Q by C1, V2 equals to Q by C2, V3 equals to Q by C3. Now, CS is the total capacitance of capacitor, which is equals to V Q by CS. The total potential drop is equal to V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now we use the value of V1 from here and we put it like this, and we take Q as the common and we cut it, then we get the equivalent. Second one is capacitor in parallel. Capacitors are said to be in parallel if potential difference across each capacitor is same in the combination. They are capacitors having capacitance C1, C2 and C3 being connected in parallel. The potential difference that is applied across the combination is V. Charges are different. So, for that Q1 equals to C1V, Q2 equals to C2V, Q3 equal to C3V. Q is the total charge of capacitor. Q equal to CPV. Here, Cp is the equivalent capacitance. Now, we combine it both. Like Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Now, we put the values and we take V common from both. Now we cut the value and we get our answer. Hope I explain it well. Thank you.